how to make and create Zoom virtual background on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com, log into your account. Now go to the top, click on create a design and search for Zoom. Click on Zoom virtual background. It will take you here. Now choose a template. For example, let's choose this one. As you can see, it looks so professional. You have also many templates here. Let's say this one. You can edit the text and the name, if teacher, and everything can be changed right here. After you finish, click on share and download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.